friendless kid. You don't know where you live. No one knows a thing about you. No one ever did. Weird friendless kid. You might be weird, but you're not stupid. We've all seen the pictures you've drawn. We know what's in your head. Uninvited child, but you never seem to mind. Eating from your purple lunchbox while we all talk about you, about you. It's alright to stay, nobody gets away except you. Why you're like you are, do you think you're a star? La 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 la. I sometimes think I'd like to speak to you and find out who you are. Uninvited guest, you won't fit in with all the rest. Just a bubble in a perfect paint job while we all talk about you, talk about you, talk about you. Just a bubble in a perfect paint job brings everybody down. Yes, you do. It's alright to stay, nobody gets away except you. Why you're like you are, do you think you're a star? La 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 la. Dipping from your purple lunchbox, it's alright, you know, you can come as you are. La 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 la. If it's like you say, you get a chance to move away one by